Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thanks a lot for giving the opportunity to interview you.
You're
It's a
welcome.
pleasure. And I would like you please to introduce yourself.
My name is bàbálórìsà Òsunkoladé Oláyiwolà Olósun.
Eu desde já, agradeço o facto de dar a oportunidade de estar a entrevistá-lo e solicitei-lhe para ele, por favor, poder se apresentar. Ele diz que é bàbálórìsà Òsunkoladé Oláyiwolà Olósun. Can you please tell us where are you from?
I'm from Osun Temple at Atáója Palace, Òsogbo.
So you are from Òsogbo.
I'm from Òsogbo.
Pronto, eu perguntei-lhe de onde é que ele era e ele disse que era do templo de Osun, no palácio do Atáója, em Òsogbo. Can you please tell us more about yourself? Can you talk about yourself, please?
I'm one of the Osun priests at Òsogbo, and then my mother, she's the Osun, she's the chief high priestess of Òsogbo.
Right now,
the present one at the Atáója Palace.
Pronto, eu perguntei se ele podia falar um pouco mais sobre ele. Ele disse que é um dos sacerdotes de Osun neste momento no palácio em Òsogbo, e que a mãe dele é presente e há Osun, que está neste momento tomando a posição de sacerdotisa principal de Osun em Òsogbo. Which oracle does Osun use?
Also used to use the cowrie, the 16 cowries, to make the divination for the people that is come to her. Anything that you want to know, or when you want to read, you used to use the cowries to make the divination. Sometimes using the cola, but the word also exactly what is used is cowries.
Eu perguntei qual era o método de adivinhação, o sistema que Osun usava e que eles usavam, e ele diz que o método de sistema de adivinhação que Osun usa é os 16 búzios, o eerindinlogun, e também usa o obi. This power and this knowledge that Osun has from the eerindinlogun, where did she get it?
She get it from Olódùmarè. Normally, Obatala is the Orisha that is gave Osun the cowries to use. Is get the cowries from Obatala. So that is how the Osun get the cowries that is using, because when the people used to come to Osun, that they want to know something apart from the power that they give her, so anything that you want to ask, and they just went to Obatala that what he can use. That is why Obatala gave her the cowries to use.
So eu perguntei-lhe a ele se ela usa o eerindinlogun, de quem, ou de que orixá, ou de onde é que ela tomou esse conhecimento e esse poder. Ele disse que o poder vem de Olódùmarè, mas que ela recebeu o eerindinlogun de Obàtálá, que foi ele que lhe deu. But let me ask you one question. Obàtálá, as far as I'm concerned, if I'm wrong, correct me, is the first orisha that Olódùmarè created. Is the oldest among
Is the oldest among us, and is the leader.
Okay, Obàtálá
is the leader, is the oldest, and is the leader of them when they are coming to the earth.
Pronto, eu perguntei relativamente ao Obàtálá quem era Obàtálá, e ele diz que Obàtálá é o mais velho de todos os orixás e é o líder de todos os orixás, porque quando Olódùmarè os mandou para a terra, foi ele que veio a liderá-los para a terra. Just one last question. It means that Osun got the power direct from Olódùmarè.
Yes, Osun got power direct from
Olódùmarè. But because Obàtálá is the elder from all of them, to give the respect, she went to request the eerindinlogun
from Obatala,
but the power is from
Olodumare. So because each of them, they come from Olodumare. When they are coming,
direct
the
power
power from Olodumare.
Olodumare.
All of them, they are coming with the Obatala, with the Shango, with Osun, all of them like that. With the they are coming from Olodumare. But each of them, they have their own power, because Olodumare send them, each of them, to come and do this in this earth. So he give them each power. That you Obatala, you are the one that you are going to create the human being like this. Osun, you are going to do this because of the people that are doing for the body. Whatever I say, like, so each of them, he gave them their own power.
Okay, but being Obatala the oldest one, and like the maybe from there come the Yoruba culture, there's always respect for the elders.
Of course, they have to respect, because everywhere, all of them, they know that Obatala is the elder, because it's the oldest Orisha among them. So definitely we know that when somebody is oldest, we have to know that is the elder, and then is the oldest. So then we call it Babarubo.
Okay.
So then we call Babarubo because it's very old Orisha.
Okay. So you believe that the eerindinlogun was given from Olodumare to Obatala for him to give
to Osun
and to the other
ones. Yes.
Okay, I understand. Pronto, eu quis saber mais, e principalmente porque é um sacerdote de Osun, quis entender, eu fiz a pergunta se o poder de Osun foi dado por Olodumare. Ele diz que sim, que o poder foi dado por Olodumare, porque Olodumare deu poder a todos os orixás. E dentro da cultura iorubá, eles respeitam sempre os mais velhos. Então que Obatala é o mais velho entre todos os orixás e é o líder. E que Olodumare deu o eerindinlogun a Obatala. E foi Obatala que deu então aos outros orixás, e foi Obatala que deu ao Osun. Mas o conhecimento e o poder veio de Olodumare. Òsunkoladé, until today, in Òsogbo, I know your family is very respected, and I'm very happy that all of you follow the legacy of your father.
Thank you.
And I'm very happy that Adigun Olósun is doing very well and is taking the position of your father.
Thank you.
Eu agradeci pelo fato da família dele continuar com o legado do pai, e principalmente pelo irmão mais velho, que é o Adigun Olósun, que está neste momento a tomar a posição do pai e que realmente estão a manter a tradição. Òsunkoladé, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.